83B election, tax strategy and when and why to file it. I will now explain this concept in a simple under 2-minute video. The 83B election is a tax strategy used by people who receive stock or other property as compensation, especially from their employer. Here's a simple explanation. When you receive stock or a property as compensation, you might have restrictions on it, like a vesting schedule. This means you might not get full ownership right away, instead you'll get it gradually over time. When you make an 83B election, you're telling the IRS that you want to pay taxes on the value of the stock or property. Now, even if it hasn't fully vested yet, this can be a good strategy of if you expect the value of the stock or property to go up over time. By paying tax on it now, you'll pay the taxes on the lower value, potentially saving money in the long run. If you file a 83B election with IRS within 30 days of receiving the stock or property, if you miss this deadline, let me try that again. You have to file an 83B election with the IRS within 30 days of receiving the stock or property. If you miss this deadline, you won't be able to make the election later. Overall, the 83B election can be a smart tax strategy for people who receive stock or property as compensation, especially if there's expected value to increase in future. However, it's essential to understand potential risk and consult with the tax advisor before making this election. Thank you for watching. If you found it useful, let me know. Even if you didn't, let me know. And if you like a more detailed version of this, let me know and I will do a video for that as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.